Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll until we will find proper section, which is called, as you can see, accounts and backup. Of course right here under it we've got Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest I personally prefer to do it using this one. So let me tap on it. And right here we have to enter the manage accounts, which is at the top. As you can see here we've got our previously added Google account, so let's maybe add new one. So we will start with adding the account. All you have to do is to tap on add account. Of course choose Google right here, just tap on it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and as you can see, if you've got the pattern PIN or password you will have to enter it to confirm. So from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it, just like that. Alright, so right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Now let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added the Google account to this device. Sometimes your device will also provide you the information about the backup, but as you can see in my case, it was not shown. Alright, so that was how to add the account, and now let me show you how to remove it, because it is also so easy. So if you've got the Google account added, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let me remove this one also and tap on OK. And as you can see, sometimes your device will ask you to again verify your decision, so just to confirm. And as you can see, our Google account was removed successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.